Hello, my sweet mother. How are you?
All you want? You know, see me I play Candy Crush.
Well, mommy, there's some new Jordans coming out next week, mommy. And they're £80. So I was wondering if you could give me the money so I can buy them. And plus, you know, Christmas is coming up, mommy, so this could be a Christmas present. So, mommy, me can get the money to buy them.
Me a favor. Look through the window there for me.
Yeah, what's outside, mommy?
You see a tree in the corner?
Let me see the tree.
What a tree have on it?
Leaf.
Exactly. Leaf grow up on tree. No money. Right? You come ask me for £80. Me look like bank to you? Me a bank? You come ask me for £80. For shoes? Let me know just buy you 2 flip-flop the other day. Listen, let me ask you this. You all wake up early in the morning. For buy food, for put on the table. Eh? You all wake up early in the morning for work hard. For pay the bill them? No. What you think, sir? You know when you go in the bathroom and you turn on the tap? How you think the water come out there? And a magic. Right? And a Santa. And me I pay the bill them. So don't come ask me to buy you £80 shoes. Right? So I'm always up on barefoot. So as long as you're not barefoot, me no business. Now ask me for no £80 for buy shoes. Right? And you come tell me about Christmas present. You don't need to tell me what you want for Christmas. Me know what you want for Christmas. Right? Me can buy you whatever me want because you're my pitney. Go ask Santa. Ask Santa, the man at Christmas. What seem to have so much money. Go ask him for your £80 shoes because me not buy it. Right? You know how much actually that can buy? You know how much Aki that can buy? You come ask me? Me, what have to wake up in the morning to provide for you? You want me to buy you £80 shoes. But you could have bright. You see you make me lose? Come on, man. Sure.
But, mommy, me never get what me want yet.